my god.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Hey, baby. Oh my god.
You're gonna pass out if you hold it.
Bye, Mom. Well, how are you doing today?
Okay, dumbass, when you're done, hop back over to that couch to put them scissors back, close that curtain for me.
I'll hold up. You're gonna have to give me some, right?
Oh, here you go.